Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's MISys Tips and Tricks video. Today we're going to talk about a real quick thing, the favorites menu. You'll notice that on your blue ribbon on the left-hand side of your MISys screen, there is a menu called favorites. In many cases, there will already be defaulted ones here that are your favorites as assigned by MISys, but you can actually change them. However, in my case, this is now currently blank. What I can do is whatever menus that I deal with and use more often, I can add them to my favorites menu. This way, instead of toggling between different menus here on the blue ribbon each time, I can just operate from the favorites menu and select the transactions that I want to use. Let's say that I do planning and I create MRP schedules. So I can click on there. On the top right corner, there's a little star icon. I can click that, it fills in. That means this menu is now being added to my favorites. If I toggle to favorites, I can see master production schedules. Then maybe I am also doing the purchasing. So I want to get purchase orders in that menu, and I can toggle that star, and now both of them are in there. If I come to this secondary vertical menu or submenu here and right click, it'll give me the option to create groups. I can say this group is purchasing group, and these can go inside of that group. So I can move this item directly inside the purchasing, and I can do the same thing, move and inside that purchasing. And now I have a group. I can create a new group, and I can say this is manufacturing, and I can usually spell that better, probably. Edit group name, manufacturing. So if I am wanting to add my manufacturing orders there, I can go toggle that star, go to favorites, right click on manufacturing orders, move, and then drag and drop it into that manufacturing. This way I can create different groups and different menus, or without any groups, have them all in there. So instead of having to go to planning to create that and then purchasing for the purchase order and production for this, I can directly operate from my favorites menu. I hope you find this little trick helpful, and we will talk to you next time.